I'm Pat Hindle with Microwave Journal, and I'm here at IMS 2018, and I'm with Greg Peters, Vice President and General Manager of the Aerospace, Defense, and Government Group, and also Roger Nichols, 5G Programs Manager. So Roger, we've seen a lot of demos on 5G. As we deploy 5G, what are the main challenges you're seeing out there?
Well, I think there's several challenges. I think first and foremost, people are spending a lot of time trying to get millimeter wave working properly, and that means circuit design, antenna design, system design, and then simulation of all those, and then testing to make sure that that is operating the way that everybody expected it to, and finding all of the issues with what amounts to an older technology and a very, very new application.
And Greg, how about the aerospace and defense? What are some of the main trends you're seeing in those markets?
Well, the big driver for all of aerospace defense these days is information warfare, which you can define as cyber, or what's happening in the network, and then sensor or electronic warfare, which is happening outside or external to the network. And electronic warfare is very hot right now. Recent incidents around the world have raised the visibility of concern around U.S. Superiority in electronic warfare, so there's a tremendous amount of investment going into that area.
And Keysight also recently announced PathWave, kind of a full software to test to manufacturing. Can you guys maybe comment on how that's affecting your business?
PathWave is a great example of the work we're doing to emphasize our ability to manage solutions and use the software to make that more usable for the customer. And there's a few different facets of PathWave. Among those are, for example, the PathWave FPGA capability, which will facilitate the design process for baseband systems, whether they're in a commercial or an aerospace defense environment, and then to be able to leverage that information throughout the design flow.
How about you, Greg, in your business unit?
Well, one of the biggest issues for our customers is the vast amount of assets that they have under utilization, or in some cases in a storage room. And so we have now PathWave Test Asset Advisor that enables our customers to start to get a handle on how many assets they have, where they're used, how often they're used, and the health of that equipment. And so that is something that we see as a big advantage for these customers that have, in some cases, tens of thousands of assets, to better utilize them, perhaps trade them in, get new equipment, or enable their engineers to be more productive.
Great, well, we really appreciate you guys talking with us today, and have a good rest of the show.